Hi guys, so I have for you another 5-minute workout, and this one is called burpees and abs because we're gonna be doing a lot of burpees and then we're gonna do ab exercises. We're gonna really target our core. And before I start the workout, I just wanted to give a shout out to Lorna Jane, who gave me this cute new outfit. She always challenges me with outfits that I would probably never pick myself, but she picked this for me. And once I tried it on, I actually really love it. So guys, try on outfits even if they seem crazy to you, because they might turn out really well when you put them on. Bright color, stripes, but I think it's really cute. You let me know in the comments below if you like this outfit. If you do, then leave a comment for Lorna Jane on her Facebook. She's gonna love it. So let's get ready. We're gonna start with the workout. We're doing burpees, then we're gonna do this exercise. You lay on your side, then you lift up, push your hips up and kick. We're gonna do that on both sides, and we're gonna do some more burpees, and the last exercise is gonna be toe touch and then star crunch. So pretty simple. All you have to do is to push yourself at your maximum effort. It's a short workout, it's only 5 minutes, you can do it. Let's go. Okay, and go. Burpees, down, all the way down, and jump up, all the way down. These are competition burpees. As many reps as you can. To get the heart rate up, so keep going. Okay, next one, and kick. Go for as many reps as you can. Again, really kick. Brace your core. Switch sides. This one is great for your glutes as well. You're gonna feel it in a bit. Okay, burpees, all the way down and jump. What's next? Okay. Toe touch and star crunch. Lot of power. Don't stop. Okay. Burpees. And jump. Side plank kick. This is getting hard. change. Switch sides. Really engage your abs. And kick. Keep going. We're almost there. Okay, last set of burpees. All the way down and jump. Last exercise. Okay, on your back and toe touch, star crunch. I'm done. Oh my god. This was a good workout. It's really important that you cool down gradually so that it's not so hard on your heart, and you should also stretch. So let's do some stretching together. Since we're here already, you're gonna stretch together. So feet wider apart, inhale, arms up, and exhale, bend forward, keep your back straight, push your hips back, hands on the ground, and relax in this position, relax your neck, look up. Now shift your weight towards your right leg. Make sure that your knee is pointing the same direction as your toes. Stretch your inner thighs. Make sure that you don't roll your ankle. Keep the foot flat on the ground. And then the other side. Nice. Now shift sideways and put the back knee on the ground. We're gonna stretch our hip flexors, so grab your foot, pull your heel towards your butt until you feel the tension in the front of your thigh. Hold it. Whew. And now we're gonna switch. Other leg. Grab the foot, pull it towards your butt, feel the stretch in the front of your thigh again. It's really important that we stretch our hip flexors on a daily basis, because the more you sit, the more these muscles tighten up, and then it can cause all kinds of problems like lower back pains and things like that, so you don't want that. It really pays off if you do these stretches on a regular basis. And now just sit down on the ground. Your feet in front of you. Sit nice and tall and try to bend forward. Grab your toes. You should feel just a mild pain. I should say mild tension and not pain. Mild tension. And that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Let me know if you did in the comments below, and give me thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any new workouts, and make sure that you visit my website zuzkalight.com. And that's it for today, and I will see you soon. Ciao.